This will be a real quick video on how to get axles out of a B5 S4. A lot of people will tell you to break this pinch bolt, pull the upper control arms out. I'm here to tell you don't have to do that, and you probably get these axles out in about a half hour each side. So, wheel on, still on the ground, 17 millimeter hex. Take the axle bolt out. Go under the car, loosen the triple squares on the inner joint there. You'll probably only be able to get to 3 of them. You'll have to jack the car up, spin the wheel, put it back in first gear, break the other 3 free. Now, once all of those are out and this is out, it's going to seem like you do not have clearance to just slide the axle out. The inner is going to be butted up against the flange, as you would imagine. But if you then compress the suspension and bring this up, it'll put the axle shaft at an angle that you could sneak the axle out of that hole right there. So I took this axle out. I was anticipating having to take those pinch bolts out, but this axle came out in a half hour. I will put a link in the description to a triple square set that you'll need, 17 millimeter hex. Dead blow hammer is helpful for the purpose of knocking that bolt out, but really easy to get the axles out.